else. I wonder if Norman. Here, Steve. I saw her today at the reception. Glass of wine in her hand. She was gonna meet her connection. For her peak word, so there's the man. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. But if you try sometime, you just might find, wow, get what you need. I'm apologizing. It was good one time, everything was mighty fine. Oh, Tipples roared day and night, but things they got slow for no reason I know, and the ill winds they hove in sight. The mines all closed down. Everybody laid around. Wasn't very much left to do except stand in that line, get your ration script on time. Woman, I could see it killing you. Now the soft new snows of December finally fall my cabin around. Saw the last train from Bar Valley, taking brown-haired Becky Richmond out. It's been a coming on and on, and soon it would be gone. It even crossed your mind every day. Then she said to me, things are bad back home, you see. I guess I'd better be on my way. Now the song new snows of December lightly fall my cabin around. Saw the last train from Bar Valley, taking brown-haired Becky Richmond now. I could blame you down, but I never could somehow. Miner's wife, we weren't turned out to be. It wasn't what you thought, just some dreams that you bought when you left home and ran away with me. Now the softly snows of December lightly fall on my cabin around. Saw the last train from Boar Valley taking brown-haired Becky Richmond out, taking